How much time I tell enough to climb the tree? You know, say the boy them a go see your panty. Mama, me not stupid enough. Me take it off before me climb the tree. Daddy, what you think about the kids them going back to school in this COVID environment here? It better if them just stand in their yard. Cause I would rather see them live, don't stand dead bright. Yo, Anabai, the man come into the store and pick up a bottle of juice and a bag of sugar. And he only pay for the juice. And when he done, he just walk out. And he never pay for the sugar. Is that true, Mr. Maka? Did you steal the sugar from the store?
Yeah, nah, them wrongfully accused the eye. Cause me no thief no sugar. Me look on the back of the juice and it say sugar free.
So why the eye have to pay for something we're free?
Me don't understand that. That don't make no sense to the eye.
That's an excellent point, Mr. Maka. Pay the $2 for the sugar, and I'll dismiss the case.
Unfair upon hypocrite and parasite. Cause the eye won't subject itself to Babylonian rule. Nobody can judge I, except for Jah Rastafari.
Maka, pay the $2.
Rastafari. The eye will do as the eye command.
Oi, the car only supposed to hold 6 people, so the ugliest one have to come out.
So when you come out, who gonna drive the car?